What's up, guys? Me here, back with another Pokemon video. So today we'll be opening up Pokemon tins. Let's get into it. So this is going to be our first pack. I wonder what we get. Let's open this. Ooh, what's this? So we got this and this. Got this. And then we got 2 booster packs of Crown Zenith. Let's open these up. Open up these Crown Zenith packs. Open up these Crown Zenith packs. I know we should open up these. It should be able to open packs. Yes, we got him. Okay, this pack opened. The Pokemon card, Mr. Mine. We put that here. Sunken, Coughing, Oddish, Sandalit, Energy Switch, Yamanga, Energy, Bishop, Lunatune, Rescue Carrier. Now let's open up the next pack. Let's open up the next pack. Let's open up the next pack. Okay. Let's just open up that pack. Oh, that is a big rip, but it's still Sandalit, Energy Switch, Grandolin, Scarab. No way, a Militang. We're going into the good card. Ziora, Lunatune, Sharrock, Lost Vacuum, and obviously the code card. Next we're going to do is this Pokemon tin. We're going to do this Pokemon tin. So, oh, that was loud. We got these ones. Put those over there. And we got the Scarlet and Violet packs this time. Hopefully we get lucky. Let's do this one first. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Rip it open just like I did. Okay. Oh, that's a cool one. Okay. We got Mareep, Silcoba, Bishop, Ryodu, Dinship, Tezagurgi, Solvia, Villaton, Tanvimus, Clevaf, and an Energy. Now let's do Silver Tempest. Ooh. This is the weirdest way on opening packs. So we got the code card, put that down over there. Swabu, Swirix, Dreepy, Rotom, Vilpix, Vinching, Hurricane, V-Star card, Unshinified Foil, and Quinidid, and Sonerja. Okay guys, I think we've had enough today. So if you enjoyed that video, smash into that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.